Hi guys, welcome back. As you can see, I cut my hair recently and today I'm going to be giving you an updated tutorial for my favorite loose waves. I've been curling my hair like this non-stop. It's so easy and it takes under 10 minutes. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm and don't forget to subscribe and comment below if you have any questions. So let's get into it. So my hair is freshly washed and air dried, so it has some waves in there. My hair is a little bit wavy, so this is my favorite way to just make it look really good. I'm going to be using the Babyliss Pro 1¼ inch iron. This size of a curling iron is perfect for shorter hair because it doesn't give you those Shirley Temple curls, but it helps you have that loose wave, which is exactly what we're going for today. I'm just going to take the first 2 inches, prep the hair a little bit since I do have some natural wave, and then I'm just going to curl it away from my face, making sure to leave that last 2 inches out. And then bring it out, and then I'm not going to touch that at all until it cools, so I'm not going to run my fingers through it or anything. And then I'm going to curl the second one away from my face as well. Again, leaving out those ends. Now this one, I'm going to curl towards my face. So I'm going to prep the hair a little bit since it's wavy. And then I'm just going to curl it towards my face to give me some more body. And then I just continue alternating directions all the way around my head so that I get a lot of extra texture and volume. And then I'm just repeating the same steps to the other side. And again, I curl that third one towards my face. I'm not really particular about what size sections I get. I take some big, some small, just to give myself different dimension and different texture. So don't really worry about the size sections, just kind of alternate how big and how small they are. Now that my hair is all curled, I'm just going to let it cool before I run my fingers through it, and that'll help it set and not fall out super quickly. Now that my curls are cooled, I'm just going to run my fingers through them, loosening up all the ringlets. I like my waves to be pretty loose, so this helps a lot, and it also just makes it look more natural, which I like. Okay, the next step I'm going to do is actually change the whole way my short hair looks and stays. It makes it look so much more tousled and beachy, so don't forget this step. Today I'm going to be using the Fat Boy Texture Spray. This one is great because it adds lots of texture without making your hair sticky. I'm just going to apply it all over my hair. And I kind of scrunch mine up a little bit. I've found that using texture spray helps so much with my hair looking more bouncy, and it also helps my curls stay longer. And that is all I do for my short waves. But if your hair doesn't hold curl very well, I would recommend applying a light round of hairspray. We love the Kenra Volume Burst, so I would just apply a light amount of that to hold it in place and keep it staying all day. So if you do want to apply hairspray, I would just apply a small amount and scrunch it up a little bit just to hold it in place. Don't do too much because it will weigh your hair down though, so just a small amount. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please hit that thumbs up button. It helps us so much and we do appreciate it. And we will see you guys next week.